Check if there is light in the original vehicle. If so, an optical fiber box is required. Hold the buckle and take out the optical fiber cable. The fiber optic box has a plug. After removing it, insert the optical fiber and then insert it back into the fiber optic box. Plug in the power supply of the optical fiber box properly and insert the optical fiber cable into both the optical fiber box and the main unit. Insert the red and white plugs into each other. U7 audio output. Transfer the original vehicle's GPS antenna, radio antenna, 4G antenna, protocol box, CA and bus USB cable, power cord, the red and white plugs on the power. The cords do not need to be plugged in. 360 boxes of rear view camera cables. Connect the power cord. If there is no power supply in the original vehicle, connect the blue and white wires on the power cord to the main unit.